Got an Epson printer that won't play nice with new ink cartridges? Don't toss it yet. Let's get your printer back in action. First, double check that you're using the right cartridge for your printer model. Epson printers can be picky, so make sure the numbers match exactly. Next, turn off your printer and unplug it for about a minute. Sometimes, a quick reset is all it takes. When you put the cartridge back in, make sure it clicks into place. If you see any tape or stickers on the cartridge, remove them. Those cover up important connectors. Still not working? Grab a clean, dry cloth and gently wipe the gold chip on the cartridge. Dust or fingerprints can interfere with the connection. If your printer flashes a not recognized message, try reinstalling the cartridge one more time. Sometimes, the printer just needs a second chance to detect it. And remember, using genuine Epson cartridges reduces issues. Off-brand inks might save money, but they can cause more headaches. If nothing works, check your printer's manual or visit Epson's support site for more help. Don't give up. Most cartridge problems can be fixed at home. Thanks for watching. Hit like if this helped, and subscribe for more easy tech fixes.